out in the deep fabric of the cosmos. There's a place so vast, so empty. It defies explanation. No galaxies. No stars. No light. Just a black, silent nothing. It's not a black hole. It's not a shadow. It's a void, so large, it stretches across a billion light-years of space. Tonight, we venture into one of the most mysterious features of the universe. The cold spot. A place that may be just a void. Or something far stranger. Before we descend into the silence, take a moment to like and subscribe. Because what we're about to explore may be one of the universe's greatest unsolved mysteries. Prepare yourself. This is the biggest void in the known universe. Let's start with something strange but true. The universe is mostly empty. Galaxies are not scattered evenly across space. Instead, they form a cosmic web, long filaments of stars, galaxies, and dark matter, surrounding massive regions of emptiness. These empty pockets are called cosmic voids. Most voids are small, relatively speaking, tens or hundreds of millions of light-years wide. But in 2007, astronomers found something much, much bigger. Something that wasn't just a typical void. It was the Eridanus supervoid. It all started with a strange signal in the cosmic microwave background. The faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Satellites like WMAP and Planck scanned the early universe. And among the smooth, ancient radiation, they found a region colder than expected. This region became known as the cold spot. It wasn't just slightly colder. It was significantly colder. As if something had drained energy from that part of the sky. Astronomers were baffled. Was it an error? A data glitch? No. It was real. And when they pointed telescopes in that direction, they saw something even stranger. A massive, dark void. Stretching across over 1 billion light-years. The Eridanus supervoid is one of the largest structures ever observed. Or rather, one of the largest non-structures. It contains far fewer galaxies than other regions of similar size. To put that into perspective, if you traveled through this void at the speed of light, it would still take you 1 billion years to get to the other side. And you might never see a single galaxy. The void is so large. It might be responsible for draining energy from the cosmic microwave background. A process called the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect. This effect happens when light passes through a massive gravitational structure, gaining or losing energy depending on how space itself stretches or contracts. But here's the thing. The void alone might not be enough to explain the cold spot. Which leads us to the big question. Some scientists argue that the Eridanus supervoid can't fully explain the cold spot's temperature drop. So what else could cause such an anomaly? Here are a few strange possibilities. 1. Statistical fluke. Maybe it's just a cosmic coincidence. An unlikely blip in the data. But still within the realm of randomness. Unlikely. But possible. 2. An imprint from another universe. Some cosmologists suggest the cold spot might be evidence of something far more exotic. A collision with another universe. In some models of the multiverse, different bubble universes can collide, leaving imprints in each other's skies. The cold spot might be such a scar. A bruise left by another cosmos brushing against our own. It sounds wild. But the math doesn't rule it out. 3. A signature of exotic physics. Some suggest it could be a sign of unknown particles, early universe physics. Or even topological defects, strange knots in the structure of spacetime itself. But as of now, no single explanation fits perfectly. The void is real. The cold spot is real. But why they exist, together or separately, is still a mystery. So what does the biggest void in the universe mean? It's a reminder. That for all our technology, all our models, all our data, the universe still holds secrets. It whispers to us through shadows, through cold spots and empty skies. And sometimes, it's not the things we see, but the things we don't, that leave the biggest questions. Is the void just a gap in the galaxy web? Or a doorway to something beyond? We don't know yet. But we're looking. Space is not just filled with stars and galaxies. It's shaped by what's not there. The quiet spaces between. And in one forgotten corner of the sky. That silence is deeper than we ever imagined. 1 billion light-years wide. And counting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the dark, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We explore the strangest corners of space every week. Because even in the emptiest parts of the universe, there's always a story waiting to be told.